Hello, welcome to my second video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and demonstrating a Henry vacuum cleaner. And let me just let you have a closer look. So he's Henry, perfect all-rounder, built to last, huge capacity, great features, and it's made in the United Kingdom and says we've made over 10 million Henrys. And it says everyone loves Henry, and it's the red and black version, Numatic International. And there's the accessories. So, without any further ado, let's get Henry in his box. Sorry about that, I meant let's get Henry out of his box. And as I'm unboxing Henry, I'm going to tell you that Henry is currently on offer. Well, to unbox him, it's just a matter of me putting a knife into the corners of his box and just... And there we go. There we go. First of all, we have the instruction book, and it says how to assemble him, his power light, and how to use his accessories, and he's got a new docking part, and his warranty. So let's move that to one side, and then we've got the new floor nozzle, and it's got the roller on the bottom, and it's got the button here, so that when I just there, he'll just change. So anyway, let's just place that on the floor. And here are the small accessories. Here's the extension, the crevice nozzle, the upholstery nozzle, the slide-in brush, and here's the scrubbing brush with horseshoe hairs, which is what it's made of. Read that in a dictionary. And here is his long hose with its curved end. And just put it on the side. And then you've got the steel bits and the suction control. What you need to do is make sure it's sealed shut if you want the best performance. And then finally, before I get the machine out, I need to show you HEPA Flow. So you get one spare bag, so it's the Numatic HEPA Flow. They're very good. I think they might be a little bit better than paper bags because they don't break easily. So let's just move the box a bit because, okay, out comes Henry. Let's just move his box out of the way. Hello Henry, you're out of your box. Welcome to your new home. Now, let's take a closer look at Henry. And So here he is, and he's got his nice smiley face here, and he's got the Numatic International logo printed on him. When I turn him around, the new accessory storage compartment, so that when I get one of the parts, they should slide in. Like so. And there's something different about Henry. So this is his green power switch, and this is his power indicator light, and his plug cover, and it's triangle shaped, and he's got the energy rating now. Let's see how long his cord goes. He's got a 10-meter long cord. It's a bit noisy. That's the 10-meter cord, and he's got the manual rewind. Before I turn him on, I'm going to show you what's inside. Now first, so we've got his motor compartment. There's his name. And here he is. His Tritex filter. And when I lift that up, he has a HEPA flow bag inside him. And it's not used. So anyway, let's just put his filter back on. And there. And then all you need to do is line his head up with his face, then slam it like this. Now, let's test Henry out. So now, just and then I just move you. Anyway, so then connect this just talking to a ghost. And then get this on here. And now I can turn him on. Henry sounds powerful. And anyway, thank you for watching this video. And if you enjoyed this video, let me know what you thought down in the comments below. And I shall see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.